What up? Or what up? What it do? What's going on? Yeah, all that. So today we opening up more website and beauty vending machine inventory. Let's see what this is. Y'all ordered so many packages. I don't be knowing exactly what be coming, but I know a whole bunch of shit just gonna be coming. So this is from Hong Kong. Well, let's open it. Oh, I remember this, but this is from the picture that she sent me before she sent it. Y'all, so these are some of my PVC crock charms. Let me open it up so y'all can see what they look like. Okay, y'all. I got the, let me take some out because they too cute. They too cute. But let me take some out so y'all can see. These is the PVC ones, y'all. The metal ones will be here very soon. Soon. I was gonna say shortly, but I wanted to say soon, so I just smushed together and said shortly. They'll be here real soon. Okay, so I got the little Powerpuff Girl crock charms. No. Yeah, let's go ZVE 10 with that product imaging zoom. Yeah, all that. And then, you know, it's the basic buttercup and bubbles. This just some. Let me find some other ones I got. I got Adventure Time with Finn and Jake. BMO. Who else in here? The Ice King, Princess Bubblegum, and this bad princess. She a problem. But hold on, y'all. I'm like a 90s kid, so y'all know I had to go old school. I got some of the Fairy Odd Parents, like just stuff that was out in the 90s that was popular, like Lady and the Tramp. Here's Lady. I got me some Tom and Jerry, and they look, here go Jerry buff ass cousin, you know, on that one episode where he came and beat the hell out of Tom because Tom kept on fucking with Jerry. Yeah, it's him. I got Hey Arnold. I got Cosmo and Wanda. I got Woody Woodpecker. I got Blue's Clues. I got the Smurfs. I got Winnie the Pooh and Piglet. I got Jerry little cousin. I got the Tramp in here, y'all. I got plenty different like sets. I got some SpongeBob. I got some Joker. I got some Squidward, Sandy Cheeks. Yeah, all in. Spider-Man for the little dudes. Some Snoopy and Bugs. Can't be a 90s anything without Bugs Bunny. I got some Coraline ones and some Bart Simpson. And y'all know Rick and Morty, of course. He ain't from the 90s, but Rick my dog. What else? I got some Cause decals. Let me take them out. I'm gonna take like 2 of them out so y'all can see. You know, let y'all know what y'all shopping with, shopping for. or however that goes. Yeah, there we go. Got some different flag cutter butterflies, just some simple decorative ones. I got Mike Suzowski, or however you pronounce his name, off Mike Monsters Inc. But y'all know who Mike is, little green boy, one eyeball dude. I got some Mike and Sully's. And like we all know, can't be 90s without the retro ones. I got them in different colors. Yeah. But y'all see the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all see what's going on. That's why y'all need to shop Dow's Addictions. Yes, all on the website and in the vending machine. If y'all don't want to wait, you know, if y'all in my town, my city, you know, y'all don't want to wait, y'all want to go get it now, go get it now. Vending machine. If y'all can wait a little bit and want to customize some shit, hit the website. Winning either way. But yeah. So, oh, let me not forget these, because these is too cute. Oh, hold on. Having a hard time getting in the bag. So, hold on. Let me show my queens. For the culture one time. For the culture. For sure. What that say? Unapologetically black. But y'all knew that. No apologies from none. And that's it. And on that note, I'm out. We done. Y'all see? Come shop with me. Period. That's it. That's all.